Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add scores in code.org. This is perfect if you are making a game and you want to keep track of the points. So first you need to simply open your browser and type there code.org, and after that make sure you are logged in into your account. As you can see, I have already logged in into my account. So you need to open a new project in here and select the game lab option. Then after you are inside your game lab option, at the very top of your code, create a new variable for the score. So you can simply type var score equals to 0. As you can see, I have already typed it in my notepad. Otherwise you can simply type it into the code.org website as well, and after that this will show the player points as well. Then decide when the player should earn points. For example, when they touch an object or complete a task. Inside that event you can simply add score equals to score plus 1. These are all JavaScript codes, so you can simply type it in your code.org. To actually show the score on screen, go to the draw loop function, draw, and add text bracket score plus score 10, 20. I have already typed it in here as well. As you can see, this is the code that you need to type in. Run your game and test it out. Every time your condition is met, the score should go up, and that's it. You have just added a score to your code.org game. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so others can learn too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.